Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Chaplin, Saskatchewan is a small village located along the Trans-Canada Highway in the south-central part of the province, about 100 kilometers west of Moose Jaw. With a population of fewer than 100 people, Chaplin is one of the smaller communities in the region, yet it holds a unique place in Saskatchewan's landscape due to its proximity to one of the province's most distinctive natural features. The village was established in the early 1900s during the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway. Like many prairie communities, Chaplin developed as a railway siding and service point for nearby farms. The arrival of the railway allowed settlers to transport grain and livestock more efficiently, helping the area grow into a functioning agricultural community despite its remote location. Agriculture has long been a part of life in Chaplin, with surrounding farms producing crops such as wheat, barley, and canola. However, what truly sets the area apart is the presence of Chaplin Lake, a large, shallow saltwater lake located just south of the village. This lake has played a major role in shaping both the local economy and the identity of the region. Chaplin Lake is one of the most important inland saline lakes in Canada. Its high salt concentration supports the growth of brine shrimp, which are harvested commercially and used as feed in aquaculture around the world. The development of this industry in the 1970s brought a different kind of economic activity to the area, adding to the traditional agricultural base. Beyond its economic importance, Chaplin Lake is also internationally recognized for its role as a critical habitat for migratory birds. It is part of a designated Western Hemisphere Shorebird Reserve Network site, attracting thousands of birds each year, including species such as sandpipers and phalaropes. During migration seasons, the lake becomes a key stopover, making the area significant for conservation and birdwatching. The village of Chaplin itself has remained small over the decades, reflecting broader trends in rural Saskatchewan. As farming operations have grown larger and more efficient, fewer people are needed to work the land, leading to population decline in many small communities. Despite this, Chaplin continues to serve as a quiet center for the surrounding rural area. The landscape around Chaplin is a mix of open prairie and the striking pale shoreline of the salt flats near the lake. The contrast between the dry grasslands and the shimmering mineral-rich water creates a scene that is noticeably different from other parts of the province. The wide skies and long horizons add to the sense of isolation and natural beauty that defines this area. Chaplin's location along a major highway has ensured that it remains visible to travelers crossing Saskatchewan. While many pass through without stopping, those who take a closer look find a place shaped by both natural forces and human persistence. It is a reminder of how even the smallest communities can be connected to global industries and environmental systems. Today, Chaplin stands as a quiet but distinctive part of Saskatchewan's prairie region. Its combination of agriculture, resource-based industry, and ecological importance gives it a character that goes beyond its size. For visitors, it offers a chance to see a different side of the prairies, one defined not just by farmland, but by salt lakes, wildlife, and the enduring presence of a small rural community.